Hi sis! Ngayong araw na ito is ang pinakamasaya sa ating dalawa dahil ngayon is we have been celebrating our 3rd anniversary as an army of BTS. Ngayong araw na ito is meron lang akong kanta na ginawa para sa kanila. So sana magustuhan nila ito. Ano sa tingin mo sis? Oo naman sis, syempre magugustuhan nila yan. So, tara na ating pakinggan ang kanta na ginawa mo sis.
3 years ago, I found the light. 7 stars shining through the night. From no more dream to Butter's vibe. They gave me strength, they made me thrive. Every lyric, every beat helped my heart to feel complete. Through the storms and through the pain, with BTS I danced in rain. I'm an army, proud and free. 3 years strong, still here you see. With every song I feel alive. They taught me how to dream and strive. From school to every place on earth, they showed me love. They showed me what forever with them. That's my vow. 3 years in, stronger now. Yeah, I remember day one, just a curious glance. Then I saw the fire in their every dance. Aura's mine, Sugar's flow. J-Hope's light that always glows. Jin's voice with a worldwide charm. Jimin's heart keeping me warm. Vee's so deep like the sea. And Jungkook's drive inspired me. This ain't just standing, it's a bond for real. Every lyric helped me heal. Army for life, that's how I feel. 3 years in, but love's still real. Late nights with music in my ears. They wiped away my silent tears. From spring days to magic shots, they gave me hope that wouldn't stop. I'm an army, proud and free. 3 years strong, still here you see. Every song I feel alive. They taught me how to dream and strive. Forever with them, no turning back. With purple hearts, we stay on top. 3 years in this purple dream. Together we shine, a perfect team.
Wow sis, nagustuhan nila yung kanta na ginawa natin. O diba sis, sabi ko naman sa'yo magugustuhan nila yung kanta na ginawa natin.